Hi, today we're going to see how to create a dot pattern effect in Photopea. So now I'm going to duplicate my layer. So right click, duplicate layer, and now go to filter, pixelate, and then mosaic. So now I'm going to change the cell size to 50 pixels, press enter. So here it is, press OK. And now I'm going to create a new image that has the same size as the cell size here in the mosaic filter. So it's 50 pixels. So go to File, New. Now for the width, I'm going to go with 50, and for the height, 50. And now press Create. So here's our new image. This is the flower, the pixelate effect. Now select the zoom tool, right click, and then fit the area. And now we need to create a circle. So left click here, select the ellipse. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to left click here on the layer. So here it is, it's showing me the window. So now I'm just going to create an ellipse that is slightly smaller than the size of this canva or the mosaic filter. So now, for example, I will create a 45 and then 45 width, 45 height circle, press OK. And now select the move tool, and now I'm going to center my layer here, select the ellipse layer, the circle layer, left click here, align to change it to Canva. Now I'm going to align it here like this. So select it, let's align it here, and then let's align it. So here it is. Now I'm going to hide the background layer. So I just need this circle here to define it as a pattern. So go to Edit, Define New, and then select Pattern. So here it is. It has been added as a pattern. And now let's go back to our flower. Now I'm going to add a new adjustment layer to this layer here. Left click here, select pattern fill. Now I'm going to left click here to change the pattern. I'm going to select this pattern here we just created. It has been added. So here it is. Left click here. So here you can still change the settings, the scale and everything. So for example, for the scale to increase it. So for me, I'm just going to leave it with 100%, the same size as I created the ellipse on the canvas. So here it is. Let's close this window. And now select this layer here, not the raster. Select this layer here. And now we need to select the pixels. So right click and then select pixels. So here it is. And now I'm going to hide this layer. And now select the mosaic layer. And now I'm just going to add the raster masks. So click on this icon here, add raster mask. So now I'm going to hide the bottom layer, this one here, the original. Let's see this one. So here it is. So it kept only our selection here from the layer. So now I'm just going to add the background layer. So click on this icon here to create a new layer. I'm going to place it under this layer here, the mosaic. Select the pin bucket. And now you can change, for example, the color. So you can either place it in white or, for example, in black. So here it is. And now left click if I select the zoom tool. So as you can see, each dot here is in its own color. So I'm going to select the hand tool. So here, I'm going to place the original one here. Let's see, original. So here it is. And here is the mosaic. So now let's select the zoom tool, right click, hit the area. So here it is. That's how you can create a dot pattern effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.